Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can allow friends of friends to send you a friend request on Discord using the latest update on the PC app. If you've been trying to expand your social circle, or just make it easier for people connected to your existing friends to add you, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do step by step. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Once you're signed in and on the home screen, look toward the bottom left corner where your profile picture and username appear. Right next to it, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the user settings menu, and it's where you'll be able to change how friend requests work. Click on the gear icon to open up your settings. Inside the settings menu, look to the left-hand side where all the categories are listed. Find and click on the option labeled Content and Social. This section is dedicated to controlling the way you interact with others on Discord, including messages, content preferences, and how people can connect with you. Once you're inside the Content and Social section, scroll down until you reach the area labeled Friend Requests. This is where you'll see different options for controlling who can send you a request. By default, you may notice that only certain groups like everyone or friends of your existing friends are allowed. To specifically allow friends of friends to send you a request, simply toggle on the option labeled Friends of Friends. By enabling this, anyone who shares a mutual connection through your friends list will now be able to reach out and add you. It's a great way to meet new people without opening requests to everyone on the platform, and that's all there is to it. Once the Friends of Friends option is switched on, your settings will automatically save, so you don't need to confirm or restart anything. From this point on, if someone is a friend of a friend, they'll be able to send you a request directly. Now you know exactly how to enable this new feature on Discord's PC app. It's quick, simple, and makes building your network on the platform much easier.